Hi guys, it's Lynn again. I'm going to show you one of the great features of using Microsoft Edge, and it's called Immersive Reader. So there are two ways you can use Immersive Reader. Some websites, some educational websites have it built in, so you'll know that by going down here. So what happens when you click on it? It's going to give you plain text. It's going to give you the option to, and you can adjust the voice speed. You can make it male or female. All right, so what happens if we have a site that doesn't have Immersive Reader on it? Well, it still does, because you can click up here. And again, it takes out all the extra stuff, the distractors, and then you click on Read Aloud. Okay, and it's going to read the page for you. So your voice options here, you can go fast, and we have a lot more to play with, unfortunately. So that is one of the big advantages of using Microsoft Edge. This is built in. It's not an extension. It's not an add-on. It's automatically in here. So for some of your students that don't like to read, your English language learners, this is a great resource, and this is one of the main reasons you should probably use Edge with them.